Today we're going to show you how to make our notebook protector. This is the notebook protector. It's an A5 size, which is the size of the French health books. It comes in 3 colours and it's very easy to make. Cut out the velvet flush with the printed parts. Cut the cotton lining the same size as the velvet, but 2 centimetres or 3/4 of an inch longer. Cut out the 2 sleeping mice and place them right sides together. Stitch around, leaving a hole at the top for turning. Turn the mouse right sides out. Using our special tool does help a lot. It's not essential, but it makes the job much easier. Just push it through and poke out the corners. Now take some padding or wadding and push it into the mouse. We're using an old paintbrush here just to push the wadding in. Then take the green cord, place it inside and stitch the opening closed. Now take the velvet and the cotton lining, place them right sides together, matching the ends. You will have a little bit more cotton than you do velvet, that's normal, and stitch the 2 sides. Now turn this right sides out and form the little pleats at either end where you have the excess cotton. And then you're going to top stitch this in the crease, so stitch in the ditch along the sides. Turn it back inside out and then mark with pins the marks that we have on the velvet, and then tuck in the velvet and the lining up to those pins so that you have 2 pleats formed that you then just clip down. Do this on all 4 sides, all 4 corners. And then we're going to tuck in the little mouse just at the mark, so push it inside and then place a pin to keep him in one place. And now we're going to stitch along the top and the bottom edge, leaving a hole at the bottom edge for opening later. Now we just need to turn the whole thing right sides out through the hole that we've left in the opening, push out the corners, and you'll see that your folds to hold your notebook are automatically formed. And now we just need to top stitch at 3mm from the edge all the way around, catching the hole to close it at the same time. Now you have a finished notebook protector, so you can slide in any A5 notebook or the health book, and it's got its own little bookmark.